Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is, which bank cancelled license of Dr. Shivaji Rao Patel Nilangekar Urban Cooperative Bank? Answer is the Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of Dr. Shivaji Rao Patel Nilangekar Urban Cooperative Bank Limited, Nilanga Lathur, as it does not have an adequate capital and earning prospects. The Maharashtra-based bank, with its current financial position, would be unable to pay its depositor in full, the central bank said while announcing the cancellation of its license. The bank ceased to carry on banking business with effect from the closing of business. Number 2. ISRO successfully conduct third test on Vikas engine for which program? Answer is Gaganyaan program. The Indian Space Research Organization has successfully conducted the third long-duration hot test of the liquid propellant Vikas engine for the core L-110 liquid stage of the human-rate GSLV Mk3 vehicle as part of the engine qualification requirement for the Gaganyaan program. Number 3. India's first grain ATM open in which place? Answer is Gurugram, Haryana. The country's first grain ATM has been set up as a pilot project in Gurugram, Haryana. It is an automatic machine which works just like a bank ATM. This machine has been installed under the World Food Programme of the United Nations and is called the Automated Multi-Commodity Grain Dispensing Machine. Number 4. RBI imposes restriction on which private limited from adding new customers? Answer is Mastercard Asia. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed restriction on Mastercard Asia or Pacific Private Limited for adding new domestic customers from 22nd July 2021. Mastercard will not be allowed to add customers, be it for debit, credit or prepaid cards, onto its network as the entity has failed to comply with the direction on storage of payment system data. Number 5. Who receives both entitled Urdu poet and writers James of Deccan? Answer is M. Venkaiah Naidu. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has received a book entitled Urdu Poets and Writers James of Deccan, authored by senior journalist J.S. Laftekar. Mr. Naidu commended the author for the book, which traces the rich literary and cultural tradition of the Deccan. Number 6. WPI inflation eased to 12.07% in which month? Answer is June. The wholesale price based inflation is marginal to 12.07% in June as crude oil and food items witnesses some softening in price. However, WPI inflation remains double digit for the third consecutive month in June, mainly due to low base of last year. WPI inflation was minus 1.81% in June 2020. Retail inflation remains above the RBI's comfort level of 6% for the second straight month at 6.26% in June. Number 7. Ladakh signed MOU with which state to turn Union Territory organic by 2025? Answer is Sikkim. The Union Territory of Ladakh organic, the administration of Ladakh signed a memorandum of understanding with the Sikkim State Organic Certification Agency. A tripartite MOU has been signed between Ladakh and SSOCA regarding the implementation of Prampragat Krishi Vikas Yojana and Mission Organic Development Initiative in the Ladakh region with the aim to convert Ladakh into organic by 2025. The main objective of this MOU is to get the organic certification after a tie-up with the Government of India. Number 8. Cabinet approves sponsored which scheme? Answer is National Ayush Mission. The Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has approved the continuation of central sponsored scheme National Ayush Mission for another 5 years. The scheme will now be implemented from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026. The centre has allotted rupees 4,607 crore, rupees 3,000 crore as central share and rupees 1,607 crore as state share for the scheme to be invest over 5 years. Number 9. Who launches Tokyo Olympic cheer song Hindustani Way? Answer is A.R. Rahman. Singer Ananya Birla has teamed up with music maestro A.R. Rahman to launch a cheer song for Indian sport personalities as they gear up for Tokyo Olympics. Titled Hindustani Way, the song has been sung by Ananya and composed by Rahman. Minister of Information and Broadcast Anurag Thakur also present in the launching of the song. Number 10, today's last question of the day. NTPC to construct India's largest solar power park in which place? Answer is Kutch. NTPC Limited, India's largest power generator, is set to construct the country's single largest solar photovoltaic project at Rann of Kutch region in Khavda, Gujarat. The solar power park will have a capacity of 4.75 gigawatt. The project will be constructed through NTPC's renewable energy arm, NTPC Renewable Energy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.